Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So in this video I'll be showing how you can earn up to 6,000 thrones guys for free guys. So just take me to the end of the video, so I will show you the website where you are going to receive the 6,000 thrones and how you can also deposit and make more money for yourself guys. So let's continue with the video. So this is my YouTube channel, crypto updates and reviews. Please subscribe to this channel for more crypto update and other platform updates guys. So this is my videos I've posted recently. So let me just show you the platform that is no longer paying. You can see metadata review. This platform is no longer paying, and you can also see ants pool right here. Ants pool is no longer paying. So those of you that sign up on store SEO, so please, store SEO is still working, but they are having some issues because of some malicious attack they had. So they have to close the site, but now they are officially open, but they are still operating on the site. You need to register on the platform. Just come to my come to WhatsApp and DM me, then I will show you the procedures on how you can log in back your account and what you need to do. So let's continue with the video for today and how you can also make more money for yourself on the day guys. So subscribe to this channel for more crypto updates and reviews guys. So let's dive into the platform. The platform I'm going to be looking at today is called Tron.wale. Tron.wale is a platform you can earn Trons for free without even working on the site. What you have to do is just to deposit and the platform will run it for you, and you'll be withdrawing every 24 hours. So what you have to do, just click on the link in the description. It will take you to the sign up form. What you have to do is to put in your name, your email, your password, and confirm your password, and click on sign in. Once you have signed in, you receive a confirmation code, then you will log into your account. So let me just quickly log into my account and show you. And please guys, don't create more than one account on this platform. You just need to create just one account on this platform. So let me log into my account and I will see you inside. As you can see, I have successfully logged into my account. You can see I have about 6,666 thrones right here guys. So once you log in, you will be seeing your thrones right. You'll be seeing 6,000 thrones right here guys. So what you have to do for you to start earning, you can earn with different methods on this platform. You can earn by spin and earn. I'll show you how you can use this spin and earn to earn thrones for yourself guys. So let's just focus on this place right. You can see you have permanent balance and the promotional balance. You can see this daily earning is 0. What you have to do for you to activate this 6,666 thrones for you to start withdrawing it every day, you have to deposit the minimum of 5 thrones. You can deposit the minimum of 5 thrones, then you will start withdrawing from the 6,000 thrones right. You can see, let me show you, the minimum deposit is 5 thrones. You can see enter the thrones amount above, then you can just put in right here, which is 5 thrones, or you can put in the amount you want to deposit. You can put it on 100 thrones, 50 thrones, depending on what you put. That's what you are going to be withdrawing every single day. If you put in 50 thrones, you'll be withdrawing 1.2 thrones every single day guys. So it's very easy for you to attach. What you need to do to activate your 6,000 thrones, you have to copy this thrones address right here, the company thrones address, then send it from your Trust Wallet or your Binance, any cryptocurrency exchange you have. Send the thrones to this platform, then you continue to withdraw with this platform. It's very easy. No, you don't have to be working or clicking anything to end with this platform. It's very easy. So you can also end with spin and end. Click on the spin and end. Let me show you how you can also end with the spin on the end button guys. So let me quickly show you. So you can see right here, once you register, you will be given a free spin for you to spin it, then you get anywhere this blue wherever it touches this, that's the amount of thrones you are going to earn. So once I click on this spin right here, you just wait for it to load. Let's see what is going to pop up. You can also earn. You can see congratulations, you just win 0.005 thrones guys. You can just click on it. So if you want to earn more on this, to be spinning and be getting a special spin on this platform, you can just deposit and you will still be earning with this spin right here. The more you deposit, the more spin you get, so you will still be earning with this 6,000 thrones right here. The 6,000 thrones, for yours to activate it with just the minimum of 5 thrones. So you can just, if you want to withdraw, same process, you click on the withdraw button. So let's how you can withdraw. You put in the amount right here, you put in your Tron's address. Then if you are withdrawing from the basic, you click on the basic, then you click on withdraw. It's very easy and very fast for you to withdraw. There's no minimum withdrawal fee, guys. So there's no minimum withdrawal. So you withdraw according to what you earn daily. So this is just it. You can see if you refer 10 people, you become a promoter. So it's very easy, guys. So you can either refer, click here to get your referral link and share it to your friends, so you can also earn from their um earnings, guys. So it's very easy. So just follow these procedures I'm showing you in this video and you start earning from this platform. It's very easy. You don't need to be working day and night for you to start earning some tunes for yourself. You just need to deposit and the platform will do all the job for you. All you have to do is to come here every 24 hours and place withdrawals, guys, and you receive it very fast. And also, if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and also join my WhatsApp group for more daily updates on how you can earn through crypto or through USDT, any cryptocurrency, and also in Naira. Wait, guys, so you can see, let's just wait for it to load. Let me show you how you can get your referral link. So this is how you can get your referral link. You can just click on copy, then you see copy where it says you have copied, then you click on OK, then you just look at the referral program. You refer level 1, you get 10%, level 2 you get 5%, level 3 you get 2%. The level 2 actually means when you refer someone and the person you refer another person, you get, that's the level 2. Then if your level 2 refer someone, that's your level 3 referral, guys. So you can also check your referral history to see the people you have referred so far. So that's just it for this video. And also, if you enjoyed this video, please kindly give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel because we drop daily updates on how you can make money online, guys. So please, guys, also join my WhatsApp group. If you have any issues with any of my platform you have joined so far, you can message me and I'm always there 247 to give you the correct replies you deserve, guys. So also comment below if you have any questions regarding this video, guys. So thank you for watching. I will see you on my next video. Peace.